Hey guys, what's up? It's MrCrayfish and welcome back to another live stream. You know how it is, we're doing device mod development and hopefully this music ain't too loud. I'm just going to turn down on my side because it's loud in my ears at the moment. But welcome back guys, thank you for joining the pre-live stream chat. You guys are always in there before the live stream starts, which is absolutely awesome. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that like button right now. I'm not sure what we're going to aim for in this live stream, but I think maybe potentially 500 likes by the end of this live stream would be pretty cool. Because I've got something quite exciting that we're going to be doing. By the way, I'm eating ice cream and it's pretty good, I would have to admit. It's pretty good. Alright, I'm just having some of it. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's get back to the real business. Hey everybody. As you guys are spamming the chat as always. Thank you guys so much. But yeah. As this title suggests, basically what I want to do is create Minebay version 2.0. So it's going to be pretty much an upgraded version where players are going to be able to like auction items to people and everybody's going to be able to buy them, which is going to be really awesome. So it's actually like the true Minebay. Like on the furniture mod, it's more so a shop rather than like a community website. So this is going to be the real deal, which is going to be awesome. Right now I've got to fix up the bank utility, the bank class, before I can actually continue on here. Because otherwise this won't work. Because we need this function here, pay and add, to actually work. Let me just get some more of this ice cream. I have to have some. 1 like equals 1 ice cream? I don't know. Oh yeah. I wanted to do some Q&A in this video as well today. So someone just did it, but they used the hashtag #AskCray. So if you have any like questions, like not necessarily related to modding, it could be anything. Just use the hashtag #AskCray, and then if I see it in the chat, because it'll be a little bit more distinct, I'll try and answer it. Let's skip this ad. Alright, so what we're going to do is quickly add this, these two kind of tasks here, which allow us to pay. I'll get these done super duper quickly, don't you worry. Probably this one we were looking at more so. So we're just doing a quick task pay. There might potentially be some of you guys out there that are actually using the API. Maybe you'll learn something from this, because this is how you can actually use tasks, because it allows you to run, like this code here is run on the server side, so you can actually do stuff like remove items from the player and that kind of stuff. So what we want to do here is pay amount. So get the amount. Get the account as well. If account dot has amount. Then we're going to do account dot, is there a remove withdraw? What's that do? Has amount. Alright, so we can do if. Actually, we're going to create a separate method. I don't like that it's called withdraw. I was going to create two methods here called public void add in amount. I feel like there should be separate methods here. You guys will see in a minute what this application will do. I don't think I should make... I was like, here, should I make it so you can have a negative balance? Alright. Let's have a look at the chat real quickly. What ice cream am I eating? I'm not actually going to say it out because non-Australians won't get it. It'll be awkward if I say it out, basically. Like, you won't expect the name of this ice cream to actually be called that. I'm not going to say it out, but it's basically caramel with biscuit like pieces in it, which is really nice. Bananas or apples? Bananas, definitely. Ads, but I don't like using ad block because I'm not that type of guy. Hint, hint. Alright, so we're just going to do like this dot amount. This dot balance. Take equals amount. Whoops. If this dot balance is less than 0. Just so like if amount this dot balance plus equals amount. Alright, so there we go. We got some simple methods there for adding some money into the account. So if has amount, then we're going to do account dot remove amount. Alright, so that's our oops, do that. So that's our pay method, and then what's our pay task, and then we've got to create a pay and a remove. Oh no, what's pay, and the other one is add. But it should be, the pay should be like a single one. Like this should be, alright, pay somebody because we removed their money. Alright, string.uuid. Alright. Private int. Oh, private string, I mean. So the UUID is the player that we want to pay. Alright, there we go. Oh, that should be set string. String player equals mbt dot get string UUID. Oopsie, no. Huh? Okay, what the? Okay, so it looks like I didn't know that. Primitives override global variables, whereas objects don't when we give an error. Didn't know that. Because I've never come into that problem before. You're a cute crayfish. Thank you. I don't know how to react to that. Mr. Crayfish is the best. Please make Minesweeper game. I don't really want to do another game. I'm kind of already working on boat races at the moment. What the heck is this? Do I like spaghetti with meatballs? I usually just have normal spaghetti, not like with meatballs. Do you code the apps with your dev API that you released? Or no? Yeah, I basically do. That's how I develop the apps as well. Like everything that you can do that I'm right now is possible with the API. That's why I created the API. Holy crap, what the heck is that? It's a massive chunk in the ice cream. I'll just call it UUID. Public account, get account. Contains. Oh, I can make a method a little bit simpler here. Oh no, let's not do that. Let's just do return uid.get. No. uid to account dot get uuid. And if that is null, alright. So we're just going to make sure we check for null. Let's get rid of this as well. We don't need that. Alright. Set account. We'll change this to sender. So sender makes more sense. Account recipient recipient is that how you spell it? I'm not sure if that's how you spell it. Ask Cray, is your ice cream Ben & Jerry's triple caramel chunk? No, it's not. It's not Ben & Jerry's. Fun fact, I've never had Ben & Jerry's. Everyone's gonna be mad at me. What's this mod's release date? I don't know. If so, if recipient not null and sender has amount, then sender to remove. Recipient dot add amount and then remove from sender. Then just return the sender's balance and set it to successful. Alright. And then what's wrong up here? Ah, it's just the remove. Oh, we don't need that actually. Really, you shouldn't need that anyway. Yeah, might need it actually. I just thought maybe you have like an actual proper shop. You want them to pay, and it goes to nowhere. You are the maker of this mod, and you didn't know how. What? Do I enjoy coding? Any advice for a beginner like me? One thing I can say is it doesn't take like a day to learn programming. It's going to take you a year or two to really get to know. I mean, people can pick it up fast, but like to get to really know a language, it takes a while. It's like anything, you gotta perfect it. Like, can't be the best on day one. Alright, so we got that done. So that will allow us to pay stuff. I'm thinking that it should be a complete, like this. Like, cause I want it to be, I need it for the I'll probably have to write a custom one for the shop anyway. Damn it. Alright, well at least we got that anyway. Now. Alright, so let's go ahead, and what we're going to do quickly is I'll show you. Oh no, I've already got the game up. Oh, look at that. Already got the game up from before. I think this is the right. Oh yeah. Hey, how you doing? Alright. Goddamn ads. At least I can skip them quite quickly. This ice cream is slowly melting, but it's like none left. I wanted to eat the rest of it anyway. Do I know HTML? Of course I know HTML. That's the most easiest. It's a language. It's a markup language. Like look here, guys. Look here, guys. These guys here are running a pirate Amazon business. This is their warehouse. They're shipping goods out daily. It's a very underground operation. This guy here is the leader. He runs the Amazon website. They're making some serious emeralds at the moment. Oh my god. Alright, let's have a look. But yeah, I got this, I was just testing out this app here. It's just kind of a bank. But pretty much what the bank is if I go ahead, get out some emeralds here, you can actually deposit those emeralds into a bank. Now, I do want to have some sort of indicator up on the side here of how many emeralds you currently have, so you can actually put them in. But let's say we put in 30, we deposit, we put 30 into the bank there. As you can see on our hotbar now, we've only got 34 left from that 64. Still says our money there we've got in there. We can withdraw, so you might be doing 20. Boom, have a look at that. What else? But yeah, that's pretty much the whole banking system. But I wanted to create like Mine Bay, because I want to be able to like sell items to people on a server, you know? Like these guys, they need it. They need that functionality. So I need to get it to them. Oh god. Do I know Visual Basic? No, I don't. No. Oh no, I've kind of played with it. Oh no, I don't know. This is going to be, I'm going to do the bank app in my own time, but it's pretty much going to be like the place where you're going to be able to deposit and withdraw all your money. So like what Mindbay is going to use is actually this bank, like you deposit like, I don't know, 40 in there. Then you're going to have $50 to go into Mindbay and actually buy items from people and that kind of stuff, which is going to be pretty awesome. I'm not sure if I want to create Mindbay as like a proper auction website, or I should actually just create a card. Credit cards sound cool. I really like that idea. Imagine you had your own card and you're like, swipe. All I do is, I don't check the price. All I do is swipe. Who knows what song that's from? I mean, maybe you guys probably wouldn't even listen to that type of song. It's not really the audience right here. But yeah, I can't believe how good Endermail is. Like, this is literally like one of my favorite applications I've ever like developed, to be honest. Like, this thing is just absolutely insane how much like stuff goes into it. So like, you can view an email. Oh yeah, one thing I did want to do on it, I did notice, is like when you go into an email here, there's no like reply option. I want to be able to do that. I want to reply from here, so I'll have to figure out something so we can do that. It should be pretty simple. But yeah, it's literally like, it is my favorite application I've developed so far. Yeah, Note Stash, that's just a very simple one. There's nothing really special about it. That's just example. Pixel Painter, you guys know about that. Boat races. Yeah. Where's the player? Oh yeah, there. Forgot about that. There's an ad going on. I'm sure you guys know about boat races already. Woo! It's a bit laggy at the moment because, like, I'm not sure if you guys see it, but it's just because I'm live streaming, it goes really laggy. Alright, so let's get on to this now. Let's start writing this application. I need to get this going, you know? How many viewers have we got right now? And if you haven't already, hit that like button as well. Let's get this, we're trying to aim for like 500 likes. I'm not sure if we can do it, but I feel like we can. I mean, we're at 252. Let's get this up to 300 right now. Come on, guys. I'm sure there's 50 of you that haven't clicked that right yet. Just finishing off the ice cream because it's like melting. Have I tried making bucket plugins? Yeah, I have. I used to develop a ton of them for the Minefield server. Like, I made a Wizards plugin, which was super duper awesome. Like that was literally the best thing I ever created. And like, me and Naubus used to have like awesome battles. I still got it somewhere. There could have been so much more customization though on it, which would have been awesome. But I just don't have the time anymore for it. I could have added so much stuff into it, which would have been cool, but it's just I didn't want to spend that much time on it. What is our likes at right now, guys? I don't know if I can see it right now. Alright, let's just quickly commit. Where was it? Bank. Added payment. Added pay player to bank. Alright, so that's good. Just double checking there's nothing like else. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to fix up. I wanted to like the rotations, like the laptop sticking up at a 90-degree angle. I wanted to like whoa, did that like boost up? Wow, you guys actually killed it. You guys absolutely killed it. Like went up 100 and something likes. It was on like 250 or something. I was expecting just 300, but it went up to almost 400. You guys are crazy. Thank you guys so much for joining in this live stream today. I am still answering some questions, so keep using the hashtag AskCray in the chat. What's the logo of the ice cream? Crap. Doesn't really have a logo, but it's streets. Can you make an API inside the mod itself? What? You mean actually in the laptop? I don't think I'm gonna go to that level of inception, you know? That's a no-go zone right there. You'll forget which reality you are in if I start adding an API inside the API. How fast will the API jar update? Well, currently right now, the API is still in heavy development. It's not officially released yet, like a proper, or like the first version of it. It's not released yet. I mean, I've released a prototype, but the prototype means it's basically there's going to be changes in it. There's going to be a lot of changes that potentially you would have to fix up, because we're still going to do the App Store. We're still got to do that kind of stuff, and for the App Store I got to add in like a way so you guys can like define a price for how much, because what you're going to use is you're going to use that bank application, right, that I just showed off there. You're going to use that bank application to deposit money in, and then people will be able to like buy your applications, which is pretty awesome. Obviously, you'll be able to offer them for free if you want to, just by putting 0 as the price, but like that's how it's going to happen. Like that's the whole reason I made that banking system. Add the constructor, get rid of those parameters. I'm gonna make sure I do this properly. Mine Bay, display name, it's gonna be Mine Bay. Whew. Whew, a lot of work done already. Jesus, I'm sweating, guys. That's the end of the live stream. Jokes. Jokes. I'm not ending it that early. It's only been like half an hour. Okay, some questions. Can I add a passcode to the bank? You won't have to worry about like people breaking into your account, because all accounts are bound to yourself. When you actually access the application, it gets your balance. There's no way you can access anybody else's balance. What the hell is crap in hell? Minetube. How do you start Eclipse with your Minecraft account? I don't. Are you gonna make another device soon? Yeah, somebody suggested a phone, which I thought was a good idea, because it'd be like on the go kind of thing, which would be cool. Yeah, like the phone would work exactly like the laptop, obviously just a smaller screen. And developers would have to, yeah, that's kind of something I'm still working on, like how would I make a app that's works for both the laptop and mobile, that like the layout works for both. It's a bit difficult to answer at the moment. Alright, let's get on to this. I'm trying to think how we'll start this off. We need some ideas of what type of layout do we want. Let's do some plotting here. Let's do some plotting. So we got this here. Our canvas. Let's get the paint tool. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that. Yeah. It's super duper laggy though. Why are you super duper laggy? Let's close off Photoshop. So happy, like, because I go to university, right? I get discounts on like I'll get these super duper expensive programs for absolutely free because it's for educational use. So as a student, I get to like get all these applications for super duper cheap. I mean, free and super duper cheap. It depends on the application. Like for Creative Cloud, I get it for like $100 a year. Like that's amazing. So let's think about this application. So I'm thinking logo like here. Let's just get like a logo is gonna be like there. Then we're gonna have could I have like a categories there or something. And then we'll also have like this split off. Yeah. We could have like up here like your current balance, like top right there. Maybe the logo could be here instead. I think that would look a bit better. The logo will be there. Categories. And then here we would have like a list of the item that's for sale. List. So yeah, these are all items, and then that would obviously have like a marker in between. Potentially the price might be like over here. There, or actually, Alright, so how we're gonna have to do this is you would click on it. Okay, so down below we're gonna have like a button down here.
How do you like to learn? Blue sky thinker, an outdoor study.
Goddamn ads. Down here would have a button that would say like buy. That would say like buy, so you would select your item from the list here that you want to buy and put that there. Oh, we need like a thing to add. Okay, so what I might do is make this bar a lot smaller. Make it more of like a taskbar type thing. Have it more of a taskbar type thing, so it would have logo here, then we'd have like button like add auction item or something like that. Auction item. How come I can't see it? Oh, it's because the color's white somehow. Auction item button view. What are like, okay, I'm not like, because I've played some MMORPG games. What like, how do their auction systems work? One could be like view your auctions. View, like, auction item, view your auctions. This one could be like, will I be doing tutorials with the device mod API, and if so, when do you... Yeah, I want to do tutorials for them. I just don't know how well they would perform on my YouTube channel, to be honest, because that's going to be a very, very specific amount of people. I might just create them for like unlisted or something like that. Like, I wouldn't put like super duper amount of effort into it, but it would show you how to do everything. And then this one could be, I don't know what that would be. But yeah, that layout's looking quite good. So this would be categories, add item, and then we'll need another screen for that. My only concern right now is adding the item. It wouldn't work too well. It's hard to explain, but like, I don't have access to the I have access to your inventory. Yeah, I would have to get your inventory somehow and draw it out, and then you'd select on the item that you want to auction off. I guess that works. Alright, so that layout is pretty good. Let's go ahead and let's get like a real super duper like quick, like a pretty dummy, a basic layout, a prototype layout, I would say. The first beginnings. Let's just say call it layout home equals new layout. So layout home, we've got that logo, but then we've got that button. First of all, what we're going to do is home.set background, new background. Make sure we import this. Then we're going to do GUI.draw rectangle x, y, x plus width, y plus 30. Color, let's just do this for now. Alright, so that's gonna draw something nice. You'll see in a second what it does. What are you... No, go away, stupid ad. 50 more likes? Are we gonna do another quick hit that like button, you know what I mean? Get me up to 500, because that was our goal this stream. To get that 500 likes. So if you haven't already, go ahead, hit it right now. Let's get it up there. He can't name it Mindbay, the name is taken by another mod. What do you mean? Mindbay is like my mod. For my furniture mod. Will the bank have the ability to send money to your friends? Oh yeah, that's a good idea. I'll think about that. Yeah, it probably will, to be honest. What's the code to register in his website? Will I be doing tutorials for the device? I already answered that. Oh, we're so close to 500. So the first thing is the button add item equals new button. X, Y. Left is gonna be, I don't know, 50. Top is gonna be 5. Width is gonna be 30. Height is gonna be 20. Home.set. Home.add component, add item. Literally, this is just view your auctions. Auction item. View. Let's name this a bit more. Button add item. Button view item. How I did these other ones is I create all my variables outside of here, then I did that. I mean, I can do that. Probably should as well. So view your auctions, so 50 plus 30, 80, 85. You might need a bigger background as well, 300 by 140. Let's just go ahead, and what we're going to do is quickly run this just to make sure that everything is all G. New application, mine bay. We need to make sure we register that task from before, which was task pay. Or that wouldn't actually work. $500 likes? Damn, you guys are absolutely crazy. Thank you guys so much for joining this live stream today. I know you guys are super duper excited about the device mod. It's gonna be coming soon. Like, I do want to get an early version out to the public. Like maybe in like a couple weeks time or something like that. I don't really know yet, because there was some changes. I did have like a video. I know you guys wouldn't have seen it, but I had to re-upload this video like 3 times. Pretty much because I said I was gonna offer like an early version for like Patreon supporters, but I decided to take that down because I realized that it was actually like doing that is kind of it's hard to define what it is or not, but like it's best that I did it anyway. Like the end user license agreement for Minecraft is you can't really like sell items on mods, so pretty much I just took that off. But yeah, it was kind of hard to define because it, like, let's say I had the mod released already and I added like that was available on there just with like a quick update that I wanted to give out to Patreon supporters first. Like, it's hard to define what, because you can still download the mod for free, but I don't know, it's hard, it's difficult to say what's right and what's not. But anyway, let's go ahead and have a look. So here's our mine bay, and how did we crash? I know why. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. We actually forgot to set the layout. Very rookie mistake. Can you make a desktop shortcut? What? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention there was a change to the device mod. I'll show you right now. Don't even know what my frame rate is right now. Can you just create Minecraft money instead of dollars? Please answer. What? I'm already creating money. I'm using, I don't know, it's hard to, because it's just like, how do I earn money initially, you know? And I just thought emeralds was like the best go because it's Minecraft's kind of currency system. Ah, there we go. So yeah, that's definitely not like, there's definitely not wide enough. Let's go 50 on that one. Oops. Yeah, nah. 80. And then this one's gonna have to go a lot further, like 135. And again, maybe 80 on that. We're gonna have to create this a lot bigger. I think that's gonna like, let's just change it, like let's make it easier. Add item. And then your auctions. So we can actually make it smaller. Let's try 60. Yep, that's better. Then this will be 111. And 80 seems to be the right size for it as well. Alright. So we definitely need to make this application a little tad bigger, 160 maybe. That's sus. Yeah. I mean, it's like pretty much the size of the screen. Maybe like 150 just so we can have an extra.
And it will be one with you.
I mean, it's pretty cool so far. What is this goddamn ad? Goddamn ads these days. Why don't I make a drones mod? Because I don't have the time. And I don't really want to do it either. Why don't you use different items such as the money, like diamonds is 100, emeralds is 200, gold is 50, iron is 10. I mean, I could, my probably first, like I might change the currency to gold because I feel like gold is much more better currency than emeralds is, because you can actually farm emeralds. You can like get villages so you can have like, you can buy items from them, whereas gold, that's much more, you have to go mine for it. There's no way for you to actually obtain it. I mean, you can find like gold ingots in a chest in like a dungeon or something like that, a mine shaft, but you can't actually buy gold anyway. You can't really farm. Oh no, actually, I mean, people do have pigment farms, but they're super duper hard to set up. I don't know, I'll see. It's hard to get a legitimate currency. I'm just gonna say that right now. It's hard to get a legitimate currency going. But I still feel like gold would be better than like, because you can set up an emerald farm a lot easier. All you need is a villagers, breed them. It's very easy, and then yeah. Yeah, I feel like, I know gold is farmable too, but I feel like it's a lot more harder. I can't make money which is not a material, because how do you get the money in the first place anyway? That's the problem. There's no way. Okay, how do I get $1 from nothing, you know? How do I get $1 from nothing? It's going to be in exchange for something. I mean, what I can do now that I think about it, is... Oh no, that's, you know, that's farmable as well though. I mean, it doesn't... I guess it wouldn't matter though, because then it would just put the prices up for things. I'm sure you guys know of my mod called Cray Tokens. I'm sure you guys have... No, maybe you guys don't. I developed a mod called Cray Tokens, and basically what would happen when you actually kill a mob, you'd get tokens from it. So potentially, maybe I could implement that into the device mod, like not as a separate mod, actually put it properly in it. And then every time you kill mobs or something, you'll get some tokens, which then you can deposit into your bank account. And then there's also things like, because there's like 4 different tiers of tokens. But the problem again is like it is farmable. It would be farmable, but I feel like even if it's farmable, pretty much items that you find, you'd have to put up your prices super duper high. I don't know, that it might be a good idea. So yeah, you'd get tokens from killing mobs, which is pretty cool. But I don't want that to be like the only way that you can get tokens. I feel like there should be a better way, to be honest. Alright, so we need to do another draw here. X Y plus 50, I think it was. No, 30. Right. X plus 80. And then bottom equals Y. Oh no. Y plus height. Color is going to be... we'll just see color light gray dot get RGB. Oh, that's what I wanted. So it's going to render this nice kind of left pane here. Then we're going to need to do an item list. I think my internet might drop in a second because my microwave DDoSes me, and like if I turn the microwave on, it just cuts out the internet. And like my stepmom's like will most likely heat something up in the microwave, so if my stream drops right now, I apologize in advance, but please stay here. It's going to be back up online real super duper soon. While we're waiting right now, hit that like button. I noticed we got 565 likes at the moment. Hit it. Let's get to 600 right now. 600 right now. Potentially 700, depending on how crazy you guys are. So item list here, it's just going to be a string. Categories equals new item list XY left 5. Top is going to be 85. Width is going to be 70. Visible items, we'll determine that soon, but it's going to be 10. Home dot add component categories. Ooh, okay. Did I do something wrong there with the... Ah, yeah. That shouldn't have gone down that much. 35, my bad. Alright, so I'm looking at this, and the width is actually this here. And then the visible items as well. That's kind of weird as well. Maybe 8. Yeah, kind of works. Yeah, my DDoS right now. Hopefully it doesn't... Is it gonna DDoS? It's not dropping yet. Microwave is Illuminati confirmed. Oh, I think it's back up now, guys. Yeah, I told you. I told you it was gonna drop for that little amount. Like, it's so annoying to just, like, put the microwave on, it DDoSes. Like, it literally cuts out everything in the house. Like, it never happened before. It never happened before. And suddenly, one day, it started happening. Like, that's really weird that it actually, that decided to happen. It should be back up normal now. I'm not seeing any dropped frames. But thank you guys for waiting in. I'm not sure how many people stayed by, but thank you if you did. I noticed we also got to 600 likes as well, so thank you for that. Ugh. Is it buffering or something like that? It says the stream health is good as normal, so it should be fine. You might have to give it a refresh. Should be back up. Okay, I think it's just a bit of a delayed chat. Bit of a delayed chat. Alright, so what we're going to do as well is a private string categories equals new. Actually, don't need to initialize like that. Weapons. Weapons, what else do you want to get access to? Tools. Armor. Food. What's some more generic categories? Like, how can these be categorized into one? Have something like farming. Ores. Guess you could just say food, weapons, and tools, armor, add. Damn it. Ugh, itchy, itchy, itchy. For string category. This dot categories dot add category. Let's load this up now. If you're calling me an idiot telling me to update my version to 1.10.2, you're sadly mistaken. You don't call somebody an idiot because they're not updating the mod. That's pretty much saying you're not going to get it updated now. I know it might be hard, but could you do like when your command, your items, you can't, what? You're going to have to rephrase that. Alright, let's have a look here. Mine bay. Oh, okay. It's kind of gone off to the edge there. Okay, we're going to split them off. Weapons. Tools. What other category could we have? Someone said combat, which is a good combat, yeah. Combat, which would which would have armor in it as well. So like gets rid of that. I want to have a more broader categories. What else is in the game? Ores. Would have stuff like rare. So you get, like, let's say somebody has like a dragon egg or ender, like stuff like a wither star. They can put it in rare. What else? Blocks. Redstone. Oh yeah, I like the idea of redstone. Rare will be the last category. Redstone category. Animals. Minerals. Oh yeah, someone said misc. That's a good idea. Just for like a final category that doesn't fit into anything. Ores. Combat. Tools, food, materials. I guess you could find ores and blocks all in the materials. Redstone, it's going to be in its own category. Farming, farming's going to be under food. No, you can't buy stuff with other. You can't buy stuff with other people's money. Like, accounts are bound to yourself, and how like this will only work with your own money. You'll see. You'll see. Don't get ahead of yourself yet. Potions. Brewing. Maybe like, what's another word for like that? Something more something like a word that hasn't been used in Minecraft. Like combat is a word. It's gonna be more broader words. Brewing. Yeah, I guess brewing is a good way to put it. Brewing. Alchemy. Yeah, I like that word actually. Alchemy. I like that. That's a very nice word. Witchery. Slaves. What other categories can we put into this? What categories? Books. Oh, do I get into how like, it's like we could go into like enchanting, but then it, like, I think enchanting's gonna be put under rare. Like books are gonna be put under rare. Blocks, decorative, transportation, music, mobs. Misc is miscellaneous. So any items that don't fit under the categories go into there. Transportation. You guys are just basing it off this. Off the creative inventory. I mean, not a bad idea. Yeah, look, transportation. Redstone. It says combat there, but yeah. Food stuff. So why did they call it food stuff? It's such a weird way to put it. Magic. Decor. Spawners. I think we may have covered everything. We got the brewing. We got like materials. Maybe we'll just have like maybe building. Instead of putting the blocks into materials, we'll put it into the building category. Decor. That's just going to be in building. This stuff's going to be in building. That's going to be its own. That might just be miscellaneous. Half of this stuff you can't even obtain. Materials, again. Materials, that would just be... Music discs will be considered rare. These again, materials, alchemy, combat. That will be tools category, and then food. Okay, we've covered everything. We pretty much covered everything. So let's have a look. Okay, I don't think it works. I do have it in debug mode, but it doesn't work when you change it up here, I don't think. People said drops, but I'm just going to put that into materials or miscellaneous. I've pretty much covered the main everything. Someone said make the laptop have special access. A search engine. Banners. How many likes we got going right now? If you're new to the stream right now and you haven't hit that like button, go ahead, do it right now. We're gonna get to 700 probably right now. Hit that like button. Our goal is 500, but I think we're gonna get much higher than that, which is absolutely awesome. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'm going to try and be doing like more kind of weekly live streams, maybe like 2 a week or something like that, which is pretty awesome. Probably worth doing development such as this, because usually it's good to do it at the same time. So yeah, that's pretty cool so far. What we're going to do as well is we're going to push that list down to 45, because we want to have like a thing for categories there, and then we're going to change visible items to 7. And I think that's going to look, yeah, that's looking good. So we'll put like a title up here like categories. We might also set a custom, because what we can do is with this item list here, we can actually do a thing called categories.set list item renderer, and then we can do like new list item renderer, and we're going to specify a height. Now what is the default height, because I want to keep that. Visible items, blah blah blah. If not renderer, then 14. Height 13. So specify that height, and then we can do like, because what I want to do is like, obviously I don't want to have this just boring list. I might want to put a picture next to it and then render the word, you know, which that will be a lot better, you know, have a kind of bit of a visual indicator. So we'll be able to create a texture sheet with all the icons on it. We'll be able to, what else? I mean, that would be perfect for categories. We'll be able to create icons for all of them. They'll have to be custom though, because I can't render like a 16 by 16 in there. And I noticed that these are are they slightly off? I mean, they look a little slightly, like up 1 pixel. Like, it doesn't look nice. It should be down 1, in my opinion. I mean, that's good so far. That's good so far. 735 likes. Thank you guys. I noticed that just went up a lot. Thank you guys so much. And 316 people watching right now. That is awesome. So yeah, if you're new to the stream, we're currently working on Mine Bay, pretty much the second version of it, because as you know, there's one in my furniture mod, which is still going to stay there, obviously. This is just going to be the new kind of improved version, and it's going to be in the device mod. Like, that's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead. What we might do is these buttons here, we're going to change them so they're kind of like these ones here, so they actually have an image on them instead, because that's going to save a lot of space for our layout, because right now it's taking up a lot of space. Where did my categories go? Categories? Ah, it's because I added this custom render in. That's why. Kind of, it overrid the default rendering. Yeah, there we go. I was super confused what was going on there. Mine tunes have like Minecraft tunes. Like it's like a player or something, I don't know. Add objects with MTA data attached to them. What? You mean NBT tags? I don't know where you got MTA from. Minetube won't actually work, and I just saw a guy that just said that. It won't work for a lot of reasons, like super duper hard. Like it's even out of my knowledge to render a YouTube video inside of Minecraft. Like that is just, it's too hard. Like someone did it, but it's not actually rendered in Minecraft. It's rendered outside of Minecraft, and that's copied in. It's very, very buggy, and it doesn't work. It only worked on Windows. It didn't work anywhere else. So if you want to make this compatible with old versions of Minecraft, I'm not going to be able to do it. I wouldn't be able to do it in the first place because I don't even have the knowledge. Make it your actions, not auctions. Look at it on the Mine Bay. What? Auctions. You auction an item. Like, you're going to be able to add an item, specify a price, and auction it off to people. How about a mods category? Yeah, I mean, that's probably a good idea, to be honest, because this is obviously how this system will work. It will support modded items. You can't embed an iframe. You can add an app, say, let you store your screenshots in your laptop in Minecraft. I mean, it's cool, but the only downside is it's like it'll only work locally. It won't work over a server. Alright, let's keep going, because we're kind of, I'm just like reading the chat and I'm just seeing just a bunch of stuff. Alright, let's continue here. So we need to get a label for this. We also need to extend this thing out here. I'm not sure, 1, 2, I don't know how wide that is. because I want to have a very specific amount. Maybe 80. Let's go 90 for now. Oh, that's good. 90 plus 5. Boom. That is nice. That is nice. Alright. Yawned a little bit there. So the items, we want to draw a line across here, by the way. Draw a line. How do we do it in my Ender mail? This is how serious applications. This is like the one we're making right now is going to be way more bigger than this. Alright, so we just did +1. Guess it's a little hacky, but GUI.draw rect. Left is X. Top is Y plus, I think, 29. Actually, top will make 30. Right will be X plus width. Bottom would be Y plus 31. Color will be dark gray dot get RGB. Yeah, kind of. We'll make this here plus 31. Actually, for convenience, because I like to start at 30 instead. Do that. Yeah, that's cool. And then we want to draw a line down here as well. So GUI draw rectangle X plus, oh, just X. No, X plus 94. Top will be Y plus 30. Right will be X plus 95. Bottom will be Y plus height. And then color is going to be gray. Yeah. That's looking pretty good so far, to be honest. And then over here is where all our items are going to be. Let's add in that label real quickly as well. So pretty simple. Label. Could you add a search bar and buy a book from Mindbay called the Recipe Book that gives you all the recipes for the mod and Minecraft itself? Please do that. That's a little bit too more, like, that's a little bit too much. That's like me developing a whole new thing. Like in the book itself. Like, that's a little too hard. Custom banner maker. That's not a bad idea, to be honest. Like, I can imagine that you would have like somebody, I don't know if I'd make it, but somebody can make an application on there, which then you would design your banner, and then you would just pay money using that bank system, and then it would spawn like the banner for you. That's a pretty good idea, to be honest. Add Minecraft. Let's get this to 800 likes right now. Come on, you guys. 30 people. 30 people are going to get it to 800. Let's do this. Label. We'll call this categories. Actually, I like to prefix label. Label categories. Because new label. Why do I keep writing label? XY left is 5. Top will be 34. I'm just going to say that. Maybe down one more. Or up one more, I mean. And then we can also label set text color color dot. Ooh, what color should we do? I'm sorry, I just go full on black. That just didn't sound right. I'm sorry. Oh no, never do that. We can do actually. Color dot dark gray, and then we can do label dot set shadow false. Yeah. Then pop that down a little bit. That's better. Not as like popping out at you. But I mean, I might change that still. Could just go with grey, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. I'll play around with it. You could say black is a color. It's just the super dark version of every color. Like you could say it's like the most darkest blue you could get. It's that dark that it looks like black. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to basically I wanted to add support for like full screen applications. Like maybe you want to have something full screen. I mean, it's possible for me to do. It was just obviously like, and also I would want to make it so you can actually customize like maybe like the border as well. Like you can change like this title bar. Like, cause right now you can actually change this around. So maybe like making it so you can actually change the window as well, like the bar color as well would be pretty cool. Or even like remove the bar, like that could be an option. But then again, you wouldn't be able to move around the window really. $800 likes. You guys, you done it. You've done it. Maybe we could potentially get to 1,000 in the next half an hour. That'd be pretty good because I've been streaming for like 2 hours almost. When did we start? 9:15. It's been 10:15. So if we're at 1,000 by 11:15, that's gonna make my night. That is gonna be my night. I'm talking about my time. Alright, so that's pretty cool so far. Now, the only problem right now is that this list thing here is gonna require a completely custom component because we've got to do some pretty serious... actually, does it? Does it? Because we need a way to scroll, so actually we might be in luck, guys. We might be able to still use the default list. We just get a custom, basically a custom thing. Custom list. Let's just do item stack for now. Items, like, we're not going to keep this, by the way. X, Y. Left is going to be 100. Top is going to be where does that one start? Top is going to be 70. Width is going to be I have to figure that out. Let's do 100 for now. Then visible items might be like 5. Probably 4 actually. Then we can do home dot add component items. Then we can do like items dot set item. No, not that one. Set list item renderer. New item renderer. 25 high. We'll see. And then the cool thing is we got like the instance of an item stack there, so we can do like GUI dot draw. How do I is it mc.get render manager, get render item into GUI. Yes. Stack is E SDX Y, maybe like +5 on them. What did that? Why didn't it like me doing that? I don't know. 8:44. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there super slowly, but we're gonna get there. I slightly have over 2.2 million subs. Scroll over your name, 11. 11 subs. Nice try. I'm just going to take that as a joke. Oh, and we went down way too far as usual. 45, I think. Yep, that's right. And the width, that's completely wrong. Like 200. What the heck? Oh no, I did the wrong bit. 100. This is going to be 200. Too far. 195. No, 180. Yeah. Alright, let's do items dot add new item stack items dot diamond sword. Alright, risk it for the biscuit. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So this is kind of like what you'd be able to do. Kind of got to specify the clicker there. Because when you do a custom list renderer, you actually got to handle the clicking, like it knows this is clicked. You just got to render the different background on it. We need to shorten that slightly, ever so much, to maybe like 23. And then take this back to 4. That's looking pretty cool so far, I have to admit. That is looking pretty cool. Only downside is I can't, like, this is not in line there, but I mean, it's not too much of a bigger a problem. The only reason it's like that is because I can't half render one of these cells. I have an idea for an app store. Make it so it's like a real life app store where you need to pay an emerald fee and sign in to make an app. Yeah, like down here is the actual, like, oh god, why is that rendering happening? Okay, I'll fix that up. But yeah, this is like the actual app store where you can, it'll work with the bank. Like, I haven't really worked on it yet, I just been playing around. But yeah, that's pretty cool so far. I know why. I think I can play around with that. If I go mc.renderItem.zLevel equals 0, that should fix it. Oh no, hold on, I need to reload the whole entire application. Nope. What Z level are we recording on here? Trying to figure out what that problem is, because is there something else in there? Because how my rendering works is that it's just pretty much whatever's rendered last gets rendered. It's not determined by any Z level. However, I might have to render applications based on their Z level, just because, I mean, it wouldn't change anything. It would just make it so that doesn't get rendered in front of it. But yeah, that's pretty cool so far. Let's do something like, we'll get rid of that anyway. GUI.drawString MC, whoops, drawString text. We'll do e.get display name, and then that will account for like any custom renamed items, which is pretty cool. I didn't realize I haven't got music going, but oh well, I'm gonna keep it off for the rest of the live stream. XY, we want to do y plus 5 maybe. Then X is gonna be plus 20. And the color, let's just go gray.getRGB. Oh, a little bit more. 24, maybe 7. The diamond sword. Maybe not even just in white. Yeah. And then you might have the price over this side. Cray, can you make it like you can be rich like Donald Trump? Wow. I've been here for the last 2 hours and it looks like 5 minutes. You forgot to implement the mods category that you wanted to make. I didn't really say I wanted to add it in. I'll see. Can you make bought items spawn into their mailbox from your furniture mod? There's no way for me to actually determine which is your mailbox. I mean, what if you had multiple? Wow, there's actually a spammer in the chat, like a legitimate one. Blog. Alright, let's get to 900 likes. We're trying to aim for 1,000 by the end of the live stream. We've got 20 minutes to actually do that. So go ahead, hit that like button if you haven't already. Thank you guys if you have made it to this far into the live stream or you're watching it afterwards. It means a lot. I love doing live streams. I've been doing live streams for so long. Like, it's just been something I've done my whole entire kind of career on YouTube. I remember when I was first doing my first live streams, like I should get my webcam back on. Like who agrees for the next live stream I should get my webcam set up properly for it, like get that stuff rolling again, because I'm sure you guys want to see my face, and I do got a haircut. I could have shown you you guys my haircut, you know? Everyone like the live stream. It's getting up there. It's definitely getting up there. Building materials. Alright, so we got all that. So yeah, when you actually click on these categories, it would obviously, this here would actually change around. I'm thinking about making this even smaller. How small can I get it before it becomes kind of too small? I'm thinking 20. Maybe, and then only a padding of 2. I mean, that's pretty small. Like, that's like the smallest I can get it without starting to look horrible. Because I know the diamond sword here is 16, like, by that, and then 16 up. It's like pretty much the full entire thing. And then just do some adjustments to this, maybe to 6. Yeah, that's pretty good. Diamond sword. I'm just kind of annoyed about this, because that should work, but obviously it's not. I can fix all that, but it's just that's very, very difficult. Unless there's another way. How does that actually do it? Like, I mean, I could like literally like rip this. Is there anything to do with the Z level? It's this. Where is it? I bait model. Like, I can literally just copy this, right? We're gonna get access to texture manager. Oh yeah, that's easy. So literally copy that. Why is that? What is this? Handle camera transforms. I'd get rid of that. Wouldn't need that. Or maybe I would, I don't know. Render item. Tile entity item stack renderer. What? Oh god. Now it's adding like... Wow. So if you want to add support for custom renderer, just gets nasty. Alright, I'll deal with that another day, but for now, I'll just leave it. 900 likes, we're getting there, we're super duper close. Alright. So, yeah, I wanted to see how small I could get it, mainly because I wanted to fit like an extra thing in here. Like 5 items instead of, how many visible is 4. But the problem is it's gonna put that right down to the end there. Do I risk it and go to 1? So take 2 off. And then just plus 1. Do I regret it? It's very squished now, that's the only thing. But that allows me to put 5 items per page. Pretty much. We're getting there, super duper close, guys. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys prefer? Do you think the other one was better, or like... Because I honestly think it's better with a bit more padding on it. Like this one is quite appropriate. Like that one's very suitable. It's just this visible items can only be 4. But then we still have a problem with this bit here. Doesn't go down all the way. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta figure out how I can... Let's go 22. $24. $23. I don't know, I can't get something I like. 20. The problem is I can't like stretch this easily. I want this to be down here in line with that as well. $21. It's like 24 is the only one that does it. And it goes down to there, but it's better than nothing. And then I have to push that to 4. Mind you, on the X I can stay to 2. Oh. Mind you, it doesn't look as good. And I could draw like a potential box around it as well, which would be good. 927 likes. Well, I think I'll have to leave it as that. I can't really do too much about it. Unless I wrote my entirely custom component, but then again, it's still, the height issue would be a problem. Alright. Let's quickly GUI dot draw rect x y x plus width y plus height color dot light gray. Get RGB. So if selected, else, draw that. So I've selected, then we're going to draw gray. So yeah, there you go. Click on that, it actually highlights it now. Mind you, if we go back to my layout here, oh, we might be able to do it. We might be able to do it. Let's go back to 20, back to 2 to 2. Boom, visible items. Yes, and then down here we can have the button that says like buy. Yes, yes. Button buy equals new button. We'll make this proper text. Buy X, Y, left, crap. 100. Top will be, how high? 150. Width, I don't know, 50. Height, say 12. Home dot add button buy. Too far down. 240. Not far enough. 30. Not far enough. 232. Needs to be a little bit higher as well. I think 15 is usually at the minimum you can really do on them. Buy. Yeah. Because at the top here as well, I want to do like another label. Label items. Items, then from the left here, 100. And we didn't add it, whoops. Oh, set the shadow color to off. Yeah, that's pretty good so far. We need 60 more likes, guys. We've only got like 8 minutes, guys. If you haven't hit that like button already, go ahead, do it right now. We're trying to hit 1,000 before 11 or like from 8 minutes from now. So we need 60 likes in 8 minutes. That's like 6 likes a minute. And that's like 1 like every 10 seconds. Go ahead and do it, guys, if you haven't already. Share the live stream around. I don't know, do anything you can to get this to 1,000 likes right now. So yeah, that's pretty good. Are you guys impressed? Tell me you're not impressed. Tell me you're not impressed. So it's a good start. Like, there's still a lot of back end work to do with this. This is literally just front end. What we might do as well is quickly just add some more items. Items, just for showcase. Items dot add item, new item stack. Items dot maybe a baked potato. Items dot. What else should we add? Items dot new. Just for testing. What should we add here? Items dot. Oh god, we're super duper close. 989. Someone said I'm not impressed. Oh god, we're super close. Who's gonna be 1000? Who's gonna be number 1000? Low jokes, this is going to be like black market now. We're going to be selling that good stuff, if you know what I mean. Like the good stuff, like this is going to be drug market, you know. We're selling that good stuff, that white powder. That white powder, you know. 999, oh god. What is it, 1000? It's not, I like, oh no, what the hell, it went down. Why did it, people disliked, no. You guys are disliking so you can be the 1000th like. You guys are so mean, it's not going up to 1000. Yay, there we go, 1000 likes. Whoa, bam, it went super duper high then. 1014. Thank you guys so much. This has been an awesome live stream. App spam in the chat. 1000 guys. I forgot to mention at the start of the live stream, like, the official hashtag for all this is like laptop hype. So next live stream we'll spam laptop hype in it, just so we can do that. But yeah, spam 1000. We got it. We got it. It's literally 5 minutes to go and we hit 1000 likes. That is an amazing effort, guys. Thank you guys so much. Whoa, we got a lot of stuff done today as well, which is pretty awesome. We got some stuff here. We got that good stuff, the sugar. Damn, I love that sugar stuff. Someone said 1500. I don't think we'll make it unless that was a miracle. Yeah, 1500 in 5 minutes. We need 100 likes every 1 minute. Oh god. You guys are absolutely going crazy. Thank you guys so much. Let's just add another thing in there. I like looking at them in here for some reason. What other item should we add? Add item, new item stack. I'm going to wait for you guys so you can actually see. What item should we add? Yeah, I still have to, I haven't finished anything yet. Like this here. This is not going to be an item stack. This is going to be like a an auction item object, which is going to contain the item stack instance plus a price for it as well. Mountain Dew. There's no Mountain Dew in the game. What should we put here as another item? That glowstone powder as well. Someone said TNT. I agree. Ah, what the heck? Yeah, it's like dark for some reason. I think I know why, but yeah, there we go. That good stuff. Yeah, that good stuff. It's funny because you can actually like rename it. You could be like, here for instance, item stack. Hold up, item stack. Sugar. it trust me, it's sugar. It's sugar. Sugar.set. Oops. Sugar.set. Name. Set stack item display name. The powder. The good stuff. The good stuff. The good stuff. That's gonna be like the new hashtag, the good stuff. And then you can put like that in there. We could also do like, well, actually in chat formatting dot aqua. Right. The good stuff. Damn, where can I get some of that good stuff, you know? This live stream got pretty savage at the end. I can tell you that now. It got pretty off track. Hey guys, no screenshots. No screenshots, alright? If I see them on my Twitter account, hashtag the good stuff, the food stuff. Some guy trying to keep it PG by using the food stuff. Oh god, this is gonna be the best ending to one of these development live streams. To be honest, the good stuff. It could be like, yeah, what's hold up. Hold on. Or it could be like, I think it's a blocks. No, is it items dot sugar cane? I don't know what it is. But you know, the good stuff. You know? The dog. the diamond sword, the fish, what? Hold on, let's do one more. One more. We're gonna change the TNT. Dust. Oh god, no. Oh my god. I'm trying to oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm like genuinely laughing a lot right now. Screenshotted, damn it. Hey, no sending that to my Twitter account. I don't want that all over my social media, no? This is like, I can't. Everything is spinning. Someone oh great. Someone screen recorded this. How can we send fan art in mail? I don't really have like a PO box or something like that. If it's like legit, like real life, like it's on a bit of piece of paper, I might consider opening up a PO box real soon, so you guys can actually send that stuff. If you want to, like, it would just be there just because. Yeah, I'm having way too much fun with this. But you can just imagine coming across some glowstone that says this. I see dead people. Because like yeah, I'm not gonna go into detail. The aqua stuff is making me see bread people. Hashtag I see dead people. Wow. This live stream. We've only gone over time by 3 minutes. I thought it would have been like an email. Okay. You can just send your fan art through like Twitter or something Facebook, I usually see it all there. You don't really get to necessarily send it through to my like email. I do have like, I don't know, you could potentially send it to my business email, but usually I'd like to keep that strictly for business. Yeah, funny moments, definitely. This is what live streams are about. It's about these funny moments. If you haven't hit that like button already, go ahead and do it right now before we end up this live stream. But this is pretty much going to be it, guys. Thank you guys so much. I'm pretty happy with the progress we got today. Like, this is going to be the main layout. We've still got to design some other layouts as well. Like, we have to... we have to somehow... Like, we have to have a... When we click this buy button, it takes you to, like... I'm just trying to think how, like... Because I don't want you to be able to accidentally press buy, you know? Like, you could accidentally press it and you'd be like, damn, I didn't want that. So I'm going to make some sort of confirmation for that. We're going to create an add item screen. And a screen for your auctions. Then what was it? Over here on this side, we're going to display our balance. Hopefully I can create like some gigantic text. I do want to make this a little bit smaller as well. I think it's too big. And then we also get a logo rendered over here. So yeah, there's still a bit to do, but it should be done. And also like categories, we're going to make sure, yeah. That's kind of the back end stuff that needs a lot of working before we can actually get this working. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Hashtag the good stuff. Hashtag I see dead people. Hashtag laptop hype. Whoa. This has been a good stream. I've enjoyed it. This ending definitely made it 10 out of 10. Look, these guys are still doing their business. Oh god. Okay. I realize why that stuff's in the store now. These guys are not selling your normal items. These guys run the biggest cartel in Minecraft. These guys are selling some serious dough. Like look at them. You can tell these are hippies. No offense to hippies out there, but no, I'm not saying all hippies are drug people, but yeah, I was like pretending, yeah, we're just gonna put some of this stuff in here, but no, literally, we're in the place where this stuff runs. Let's look at this stuff. These are filled to the brim. This guy here, he's taken all of them, all the different types under the sun, you know. This guy doesn't even know where he's going. Look at it. Look, he's just standing outside the church doing nothing. Something is wrong with this guy. Something is wrong with him. What else we got around here? Is anybody else just roaming around like they've just taken a few... I'm not going to go into too much detail because I know the age you kids are. Well, there's going to be some children in this stream, so I better be careful. Like, look at these guys. They're having a conversation from like 20 meters away. You don't do that. This is not just your normal Minecraft town right here. This is not your normal Minecraft town. Can I use the API with NetBeans? Unfortunately... Oh no, I don't know. Depends if you can set up a Minecraft environment with NetBeans. If you can, then yes, you most likely can. Oh god, yeah. This is too funny. This is too funny. This, like, look, they're basically ignoring their crops. They're not even harvesting them. Like, they're ready to be harvested, but they'd rather be doing the other stuff, you know? They'd rather be doing the other stuff. See, like, look, these crates are... They're filled to the brim. They're filled to the brim, guys. Oh god, this is... Oh god. This is a shipment going out right now. A shipment. Let's take this crate out. Send it. Oh god. This is how they ship them out, and then like, you know, behind a building they're just like, oi, hey, oh yeah, hey, chicken, no, chicken, you're gonna blow my cover, no, chicken. Oh god, I'm in plain sight. Let's see if this cow wants some. Hey, cow, cow. I got the good stuff. Cow, I got the good stuff. Okay, maybe he's not interested. Let's find somebody that's interested. Oh, damn. Whoa. Almost killed myself. Alright, it looks like... yeah, no, he's interested now. Hey. I got the good stuff. You want? Oh, damn, look at him. He's going crazy for it. He is going crazy for it. Oh god. We still got tons of shipments of them. Ready? This is insane. The business we're running right now. Alright guys. That is going to end off this live stream tonight. That was the best ending ever. Oh god. Yeah, we're gonna have to get rid of that. Oh no, I'll just leave it there for now. Can you create USB flash drives? Yeah, there will be. But yeah, that's gonna end off. Thank you guys so much. Hit that like button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys later. This will be live straight afterwards as well, by the way, so you'll be able to watch it if you missed it. So bye guys.